All right, now I'm going to do this page for my city. So first, I noticed that if you click on a shape, you can type in it. So that can be a fun thing for you to try out. Just click and start typing. And this is the name of my city, I decided. It will not work on shapes that are flipped upside down, but it will work on a lot of shapes. So you can try that if you want to. Now, up here, click once. There is a text box, and then just start typing. And I'm going to put a name for my city. Then I recommend you do this part first. Count the total polygons in your city. So, for example, polygons are enclosed figures. That means there's no open spaces. They are full shapes. All of the sides have to be straight. So the clouds are not polygons because of this curve. So count all the polygons you have. I'm going to count the fence. I'm going to include the grass. You can choose if you want to. And then the stars too. All right. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24, 25, 26, 27, 28, 29, 30, 31, 32, 33, 34, 35, 36, 37, 38, 39, 40, 41, 42, 43, 44, 45, 46. If you want to include the grass, it's a rectangle. 47, 48, 49, 50, 51, 52. All right. Good to do that first because it really makes you look at your city and see what's in it. It'll make the next part easier. Okay, now I'm going to find the triangles and then I'll do the quadrilaterals. And it says down here how many sides each shape has, so that can help you. When you do this box, just look for the shapes with this many sides. And then when you do this box, look for the shape with this many sides. You might not have any, and that's okay. So starting with the triangles, those are three-sided polygons. And they're usually pretty easy to spot. Here's one. Here's one. Any more? I think that's it. So click and just put the number 3. Quadrilaterals are any polygon with 4 sides. So it includes a rhombus like this one, it includes rectangles like these, and it includes a square like this. All right, so I'm going to go ahead and count those, including the fence. 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 22, 23, 24, 25, 26, 27, 28, 29, 30, 31, 32, 33, grass 34, 35 for the flagpole, and 36. That's how many I found while I was counting. Click and then just type 3, 6. All right, pentagons have 5 sides, so let's take a look. So I've already done the fence, I already did this house. This one. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. That's a pentagon. This is the same one. This yellow one is a pentagon too. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. And I know that this pentagon is hidden behind the house, but it still was a pentagon when I placed it down. So it definitely counts as a pentagon. And then the windows too. So I have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 pentagons. This white one is not a pentagon because it has 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 sides. So I have 5 pentagons. So just keep going like this. And when you count for a shape, just use this to help you. So hexagons are your polygons with 6 sides, and heptagons have 7 sides, etc. Okay? I do want to take a look and see how many squares versus rectangles I have. They are both quadrilaterals, they have 4 sides, but a square has 4 equal sides, and a rectangle has 2 smaller sides that match and 2 long sides that match. They also both have right angles, which means the corner looks like this instead of this. So this one is not a rectangle because it's slanted. Okay, so this one looks like a square, and I think these two might be squares too. I might not be perfect with this, but they look like squares to me because they look even. These ones look like rectangles. So just know that when you get to that part, you're going to have to look at the difference between rectangles and squares. All right, so that's how you create this page. Just go one polygon at a time and really take your time with it. I hope you have fun.